Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 14. This is Section 3.3, Problem 14. It says compute an exact answer to the problem shown. And we want to add 3.18 plus 3.48 plus 9.17 plus 82.144. Now, in order to write this to do the math, I have to rewrite it so that the decimal points line up. The top three numbers are great. They line up nicely, the decimal point. The bottom one does not. The decimal is much further to the right compared to the others. So let's rewrite it so that it lines up. The 3.18 I will keep. 3.48 is also good. 9.17 is good the way it is. Now the 82.144 I need to write so that the decimal point in it lines up with the other numbers that I need to add. Written this way, now the decimal points all line up vertically and it will stay in line in my answer. So I'll bring it straight down. Now I can start adding the numbers. Notice if I start with this 8, there's one a little further to the right. I have to start with a 4. And really what I have is nothing plus 4. It's just 4. But if you want to match everything up so that it looks even, you can put in zeros if you want. And that would make it 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, which of course is still 4. Now I can start with the column with the 8 on the top. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. So for 27, I'll write the 7. Carry the 2 to the top of the next column. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Nothing to carry. I've got my decimal point. The next column, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So for 17, I'll write the 7, carry the 1. Goes to the top of the next column. 1 plus 8 more is 9. And that gives me an answer of 97.974.